Yo, what's up, guys? We are back here doing my first ever YouTube video, actually. So, I'm doing a trade recap of all of the trades that I took today on stream. There's two of them. So, we're just going to go ahead and get right into this. So, as you can see right here, let me move this, actually. Alright. So, as you guys can see right here, I'm going to start with this. This little level right here was right here. This was my London low that I had drawn out. Alright. So, we ended up going through this London low level right here at 22489. We made a tiny little inverse right here. Even though it was tiny, I still counted it as a normal inverse. So, counted that. We ended up going through that. And then this right here is a change in state of delivery, okay? So basically it's just a close signifying that we're kind of breaking this trend pattern, right? So we closed above there, and then this is where I entered off of this candle right here. So I entered there, and as you can see, we kind of just boomed up all the way to our take profit up here, which this take profit was London high. This level at 8 a.m. That was the take profit. All right. Now, on the 15 minute, as you can see right here, right there. I'm just going to draw that out. Go back to this. Also, if you didn't notice, I did take this trade off of the 30-second. Okay, so this inverse fair value gap was on the 30-second. All right. Now we did have this 15-minute fair value gap right here. We had some rejection off of that. Again, came back, tested it, and then had a pretty deep rejection. I did exit a little bit early at this mark up here, like at as it was trying to get through this. I just thought that maybe it wouldn't be able to. It did, however, come down, and then this was a big 5-minute fair value gap right here. Did kind of reject off of that, and then just eventually glide its way up into full take profit up there. So that was the first trade that we took, called out live in the TikTok live stream. A lot of people in the chat were able to take that and make some money on that, so that was cool. And then if you come over here, so obviously this came up, took London high, okay, and then we're gonna come down a little bit. We did a little bit of rejecting off some gaps down here, and then made another move up. This is the second trade. All right, so very similar entry, if not the exact same entry, just now targeting shorts. We had a bullish fair value gap right here, get rejected, okay? Same little setup right here. Oh, sorry. Same little setup right here. Change in state of delivery. But then I don't take it exactly right after. And here's a good example why. There's a quick reversal right here. It didn't obviously play through, but there are times where you enter right off that, and then it just reverses right away. So I always wait for that second candle. It just seems to prove higher success, higher win rate for me. And then I did enter. Oh, actually, I didn't take this trade. I called it out just because I did take the last trade in one, so I don't like to trade twice in one day if the first one was a winning trade. But so I took that, and then I entered, or I told chat to enter right here. And so this was a beautiful trade. Just instantly dropped down here. Yo, the cat's up behind me. Instantly just dropped all the way down here, and then I'll show you the target that I had. Okay, so all the take profit was just this wick right here, was just this low right here. All right, and so that one played out very nicely. I was kind of FOMOing that I didn't get in on that, but I mean, I already got my win for the day, so that's all I can really ask for. And yeah, And then it just kind of, ever since then, just absolutely boomed up. So it's a little bit interesting. This is what we're looking at right now. Could be a little bit of a reversal. I don't know though. I don't like to trade. This is Asia time right now, so, or like Asia session, so I don't really, not trading during this. But if this video was helpful to you guys, make sure that you hit that follow button or subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions, leave some comments down below. Make sure to like. I'm live on TikTok every single weekday, 9 a.m. until like 11:30 or 12. And so I'm streaming there every single day. Yeah, and you guys, if you want to hit me with a follow there, it's the same as the YouTube channel. It's Benny Life, and I'd greatly appreciate that. So thank you guys for watching.